has taken the oath as the 47th President of the United States? A. Joe Biden. B. Kamala Harris. C. Donald John Trump. D. Barack Obama. Correct answer is Donald John Trump. Donald Trump was sworn in as the 47th U.S. President, marking his second term and an extraordinary political comeback. The inauguration was moved indoors due to extreme cold. He plans sweeping executive orders on immigration, energy, and government policies, facing likely legal challenges. When is the Foundation Day of Tripura, Manipur, and Meghalaya celebrated? A. 26th January. B. 15th January. C. 21st January. D. 1st January. Correct answer is 21st January. Tripura, Manipur, and Meghalaya Foundation Day 2025, also known as Statehood Day, will be celebrated on 21st January 2025. On this day in 1972, these states attained statehood under the Northeastern Region Reorganization Act, 1971. What is the name of the major naval exercise in which the Indian Navy is participating along with naval forces from 8 nations, including the US and France? A. Malabar. B. La Perouse. C. Rim of the Pacific. Correct answer is La Perouse. The Indian Navy is participating in a major naval exercise, La Perouse, along with naval forces from 8 nations, including the US and France. The exercise, aimed at enhancing cooperation, focuses on maritime surveillance, interdiction operations, and information sharing, highlighting commitment to a rules-based international maritime order. Which region in India recently received the GI tag for its virgin coconut oil? A. Lakshadweep. B. Kerala. C. Andaman. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Andaman. 118th episode of Mann Ki Baat on 19th January 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed the empowerment of women in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, particularly those involved in virgin coconut oil (VCO) production. Through the formation of self-help groups, SHGs, and specialized training. Which historic site in Hyderabad was recently included in the World Monuments Fund (WMF) World Monuments Watch List? Correct answer is Musi River Historic Buildings. Recently, the World Monuments Fund (WMF) announced the inclusion of the Musi River Historic Buildings in Hyderabad on its World Monuments Watch List. This recognition marks the urgent need for preservation efforts amid environmental challenges and urban development. The initiative coincides with local government plans to rejuvenate the river and its heritage structures, aiming to enhance tourism and community engagement. Who was recently appointed as the Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF? A. Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. B. Gyanendra Pratap Singh. C. Anil Chauhan. D. Kuldeep Singh. Correct answer is Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Gyanendra Pratap Singh, currently the Director General of Assam Police, is appointed as the new Chief of the Central Reserve Police Force. Singh is set to take charge after overseeing Republic Day security in Assam and will have a tenure until his retirement in November 2027. Which 2 countries have developed the Trajan 155mm towed artillery gun system? A. India and Russia. B. India and France. C. India and USA. D. France and Germany. Correct answer is India and France. India and France have developed the Trajan 155mm towed artillery gun system. Armenia has chosen this system for its forces. Several subsystems of the gun were developed in India. Deliveries will happen in the coming months. Armenia is also getting Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launchers and Akash air defense systems from India. Which Icelandic firm has partnered with the Uttarakhand government for geothermal energy development? A. Reykjavik Energy. B. Varkis Consulting Engineers. C. Iceland Geothermal Ltd. Correct answer is Varkis Consulting Engineers. The Uttarakhand government and Iceland's Varkis Consulting Engineers signed an MoU for geothermal energy exploration and development in Dehradun. This collaboration, supported by 3 union ministries, aims to achieve clean and renewable energy goals and ensure environmental security. About 40 geothermal sites have been identified in Uttarakhand for potential development. Who has been appointed as the new Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of Indian Bank? A. Sunil Mehta. B. Binod Kumar. C. Sandeep Batra. D. Rakesh Jain. Correct answer is Binod Kumar. Indian Bank has appointed Binod Kumar as its new MD and CEO. Kumar, with 3 decades of banking experience, previously served as the Executive Director of Punjab National Bank. He aims to enhance Indian Bank's market presence, deepen customer relationships, and deliver robust financial services. Who emerged as the champions of the 2025 India Open in Badminton? A. Kento Mamta and Carolina Marin. B. Victor Axelsen and Ansei Young. C. Lee Chong Wei and PV Sindhu. Correct answer is Victor Axelsen and Ansei Young. Victor Axelsen clinches his 3rd India Open title, defeating Hong Kong's Lee Cheuk Yiu in straight sets. Ansei Young maintains her dominance with a victory over Thailand's Pornpawi Chochuwong. In doubles, Malaysian pair Goa Essidi Fei and Nur Ijjuddin, Japanese duo Arisa Igarashi and Aiko Sakurmoto, and Chinese second seeds Jiang Zhenban and Wei Ya Xian claimed titles. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.